Welcome back to Byte-Sized Tech. You know we love to make AI work for us.
Absolutely.
And this time we're talking about building our own custom chatbot tools.
That's right.
Almost like...
It's like we've all been using those fancy coffee machines with the preset buttons.
Right.
But now we're going to grind our own beans and become our own baristas. We're getting under the hood and building a chatbot interface that is tailored to our needs.
I love that analogy.
Yeah.
And lucky for us, we've got a guide for this journey.
Okay.
An article from the Neuron called OIY Chatbot Tool.
I like it.
And they break down how to build a system that lets you seamlessly switch with different AI platforms like ChatGPT and Claude.
Nice.
All within a single interface.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, you know how frustrating it is to copy and paste prompts back and forth between different windows?
Ugh. Yeah.
This eliminates that entire hassle, streamlining your workflow, maximizing your efficiency.
I love it.
Imagine having all your favorite AI tools just at your fingertips.
Okay, so how do we actually build this magical chatbot interface? The article mentions 3 steps.
Okay.
And the first one is getting these mysterious API keys.
Ooh.
Could you demystify that for us?
Sure. An API key is essentially a unique code that acts like a digital badge that grants you access to a specific platform's services.
Okay.
Think of it as like a VIP pass to the AI party.
Right.
In this case, you'll need keys from both OpenAI, the folks behind ChatGPT, and Claude.
Gotcha.
These keys are essential for your interface to communicate and interact with these AI platforms.
Got it. So once we secured our VIP passes, what's next on our chatbot building adventure?
Now comes the really fun part. We enlist the help of AI to write the code for our interface.
Hold on. Isn't that a bit like...
You're using AI to build AI.
A snake eating its own tail.
It might seem like that.
Yeah.
But it really is a testament to how powerful these AI tools are becoming.
Wow.
You provide a detailed prompt to either ChatGPT or Claude, outlining the features that you want in your chatbot.
Gotcha.
And the AI generates the code for you.
Okay, I'm following so far.
Okay.
We get our API keys.
Yeah.
We feed a super specific prompt to the AI.
Right.
And it magically spits out the code for our chatbot.
Yeah.
But do we need to be coding wizards?
Oh, not at all.
To make sense of all that?
The third step is deployment.
Okay.
Which sounds way more intimidating than it actually is.
All right.
Think of it like this.
Yeah.
You've built a fantastic car in your garage.
Okay.
And now it's time to take it out for a spin.
Right.
Deploying the code is essentially publishing your chatbot, making it accessible and usable.
Gotcha.
The article provides clear instructions, and if you hit a roadblock, you can always ask the AI for more guidance. Remember, it's your trusty co-pilot on this coding journey.
So it's like having a personal coding instructor riding shotgun ready to help if we get lost.
Exactly.
That's reassuring.
Yeah.
So to recap, we get our API keys.
Yes.
We craft a detailed prompt for the AI to generate the code, and then we deploy it to bring our chatbot to life.
Precisely. And here's where it gets even more exciting. The article also highlights some additional features and customizations you can add to your chatbot.
Nice.
It's like adding fancy rims and a spoiler to that car we built.
Okay.
You can integrate specific AI models for different tasks, build in unique functionality, and really make this interface your own.
This is already blowing my mind. Wait, there's more.
Yeah.
The article also touches on some broader AI trends in its Sunday special segment, featuring economist Justin Wolfer and his predictions about valuable job skills in the AI-driven future.
Yeah. Wolfer offers a fresh perspective, suggesting that while writing and coding are in high demand today, their value might shift as AI continues to evolve.
You're telling me that learning to code might not be the golden ticket to future job security?
Well, it's not about those skills becoming obsolete, but rather recognizing how AI is changing the landscape.
I see.
Wolfer argues that as AI takes on more tasks related to writing and coding, other skills like science, critical thinking, and even physical labor will become increasingly valuable.
So you're saying we should all trade in our laptops?
It's not about making drastic career switches, but rather understanding that the job market is dynamic.
Gotcha.
And adaptability is key.
Yeah.
The point is to be aware of these trends and be ready to embrace new opportunities as they emerge.
That's some serious food for thought.
Oh.
So we've covered the basics of building our custom chatbot.
Yes.
We've dipped our toes into the vast ocean of AI's impact. on the future of work.
It's a big ocean.
But we've only just begun to scratch the surface.
Absolutely. We've got plenty more to unpack.
Ooh, exciting.
Including those intriguing additional chatbot features.
Yes.
And a deeper dive into Wolfer's predictions.
Can't wait. Stick with us.
Let's dive back into those extra features for our DIY chatbot. Remember how we talked about choosing specific AI models?
Yes.
Well, it's like assembling a team of AI specialists, each with their own unique expertise.
So instead of just having one generic AI doing everything,
right,
we can handpick the best AI for each task.
Exactly. Let's say you need help brainstorming ideas for a blog post.
Yeah.
You could integrate a model that is specifically known for its creative writing skills.
Oh, yeah?
Or imagine you're a student tackling a dense research paper. You could use a model that excels at summarizing complex information.
That sounds incredibly useful.
Yeah.
It's like having a research assistant built into your chatbot.
Precisely. And the beauty of this custom setup is that you can switch between these specialized AI team members with a simple click. It's all about creating a workflow that is tailored to your needs.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
But let's be real. Even with AI doing the heavy lifting of writing code,
right,
there's still a part of me that worries about messing things up.
Sure.
What about security?
Yeah.
Error handling, all those technical bits that make my head spin.
Those are all addressed within the process, so no need to worry.
Okay.
The article even provides a sample prompt.
Cool.
That instructs the AI to build in a secure system for storing your API keys, keeping them safe from prying eyes.
So it's not like I'm going to accidentally broadcast my secret codes to the world while I'm building this?
Not at all.
Okay.
And as for error handling, think of it as having a safety net built into your code.
Yeah.
The AI anticipates potential issues and includes mechanisms to handle them gracefully. If something unexpected happens, you won't be left staring at a screen full of gibberish.
That's a huge relief.
Yeah.
It still amazes me that we can feed instructions to a computer.
Right.
And it builds a fully functional interface.
Yeah.
This whole process feels a bit like magic, even after we've broken it down.
It is remarkable, isn't it? It's a testament to the power and potential of AI.
Yeah.
And it's not just about interacting with AI as a user. It's about becoming a creator.
I like that.
We're shaping these tools to meet our individual needs and unlock new possibilities.
It's like we're all becoming AI whisperers.
Yeah.
Guiding these digital beings to do our bidding.
I like it.
This shift from passive consumer to active creator feels really empowering.
Exactly. It makes you wonder what other incredible tools and applications are just waiting to be built with the help of AI.
Speaking of the future, let's loop back to those broader AI trends we touched on earlier.
Okay.
Economist Justin Wolfer's predictions about the evolving job market are still swirling in my mind.
He definitely challenges some common assumptions. Remember how we talked about the potential shift in the value of coding and writing skills? Well, Wolfer suggests that as AI gets better at these tasks, skills like science, critical thinking, and even hands-on work might become even more crucial.
It's like the whole robots are taking our jobs narrative is getting flipped on its head.
Kind of.
Are we entering a world where AI handles the coding and writing while humans focus on scientific breakthroughs and building tangible things?
It's not about robots versus humans. It's about recognizing the evolving relationship between humans and technology. Think about it. We've already seen this happen with website development.
You mean how website builders have made it possible for anyone to create a website without needing to be a coding expert?
Exactly. Just like those tools empowered people to create, AI will likely empower us to accomplish tasks that once required specialized skills. It's about augmenting our capabilities, not replacing them entirely.
This whole conversation is making me rethink what skills will be most valuable in the future. I'm already starting to brainstorm ways I can flex my creative and problem-solving muscles.
That's the spirit. It's about being adaptable and open to new ways of working. Now let's bring this back to our DIY chatbot project.
Okay.
We've covered the basics.
Yes.
But we haven't delved into those specialized AI models that can really take our chatbot to the next level.
Yes. I'm eager to hear more about how we can personalize this thing and make it work for our specific needs. Let's explore those options. All right, let's get specific. What are some examples of these specialized AI models? And how could we actually use them in our custom chatbot?
Well, imagine you're a writer struggling with writer's block.
Of the worst.
You could integrate a model that's particularly good at creative writing.
Oh.
It could help brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, or even co-write passages with you.
That sounds like a dream come true for any writer. What about other applications?
Say you're a student preparing for a big presentation.
Okay.
You could use a model that specializes in research summarization.
Okay.
Feed it a complex academic paper, and it'll distill the key takeaways for you.
Wow.
Making the information much easier to digest and present.
I bet those models could be incredibly helpful for small businesses too, right?
Absolutely. Think about a chatbot using a customer service-focused AI. It could answer frequently asked questions, schedule appointments, or even process orders.
Wow.
The potential applications are vast and varied.
This is all so inspiring, but I have to admit, I'm not a coding whiz.
Sure.
I know a lot of our listeners probably aren't either.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to someone who's interested in building their own chatbot, but feeling a bit intimidated by the technical side of things?
First and foremost, don't be afraid to experiment.
Okay.
And learn as you go. Remember, the AI is there to guide you every step of the way.
Right.
It's like having a personal coding tutor right there in your computer.
Nice.
If you get stuck, just ask for clarification or more detailed instructions.
That's really reassuring to hear. It takes a lot of the pressure off.
Exactly. Plus, there are tons of resources available online to help you get started.
Oh, cool. Like what?
You can find step-by-step tutorials, community forums where people share tips and advice, and even pre-built code templates that you can customize to your liking.
So even if you're not a coding expert, you can still create a custom chatbot that meets your specific needs.
Absolutely. The key is to embrace the learning process and have fun with it.
I like it.
Remember, the goal isn't to become a master coder overnight.
Right.
It's about using these incredible AI tools to enhance your productivity, streamline your workflow, and ultimately make your life a little easier.
Well said. It feels like we're entering a new era of DIY tech, where anyone with a little curiosity and a willingness to learn can harness the power of AI to build amazing things. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling incredibly inspired.
It's definitely an exciting time to be exploring the possibilities of AI. And as we've seen today, even something as seemingly complex as building a custom chatbot can be broken down into manageable steps with the right guidance and tools.
This has been an amazing deep dive into the world of DIY chatbot building and the broader implications of AI. We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
But before we sign off, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought. As we become more comfortable interacting with and even shaping AI, it's crucial to remember that these tools are ultimately extensions of ourselves.
Yeah.
They reflect our values and our aspirations. So as we build these custom tools, let's use them thoughtfully and responsibly.
Couldn't agree more. The future of AI is something we're actively shaping.
Yeah.
And it's up to all of us to ensure that we're building a future that benefits everyone.
And if you're looking to dive deeper into this fascinating world of DIY chatbot building, be sure to check out the full article, UDY Chatbot Tool, from The Neuron. It's a fantastic resource.
It is.
Filled with practical advice and insightful commentary.
It's a great read. Don't miss it.
Thanks for tuning in to Byte-Sized Tech. If you enjoyed the episode, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun tech discussions.